Hey guys, my name is Daniel Ayamkbo. I'm from Nigeria. I'm based in Lagos. Um, this is my personal introduction about myself and what I'll be sharing to you guys on this channel. I already made a video about what I'll be sharing to you guys, but the video was too long, so I wasn't able to upload on YouTube. So I had to shut that video down. I had to create another one because the first one you guys will not be able to even hear me. Probably like this one because I'm speaking more loud and more audible on this video that I'm making for you guys. So welcome to my channel, and I'm excited to share what this channel will be all about to you guys. I'm excited to share my journey and insights and give you my personal growth and how I'll be growing individually, like financially, spiritually, and physically. That's by physical strength and financially, things I'll be doing, like maybe my work updates. Like I said, I'll be sharing things like forex, surveys, and things I know about tech, which is like under tech we have like graphic designs, we have like HTML, CSS, and that's for coding part. And we also have web design. So there are a lot of things on that where tech that I'll be taking you guys, and also a lot of things on trading and survey. So the first things, like the basic things that you guys need to know that will be more about this channel, is about my personal growth, my masculine mindset, and my and trading and surveys are different. Don't get it mixed up. So that's, and the last one I'll be giving you guys will be life lessons, like things that I've experienced in life and knowledge I want to share for you guys. Like under personal growth, I'll be sharing my self improvement, my mindset shifts, and overcoming obstacles, like self improvement. How I improve myself daily, and no matter the outcome, I just try to be good at what I'm doing and try to get in shape and try to look good and try to make sure that everything about me is okay. The second thing I'll also be taking you guys is a masculine mindset, like building confidence, resilience, and leadership. Building confidence, because many guys out there, they don't know how to build confidence. They don't have confidence in anything that they do. Like they are basically just not confident about whatever they do. They get to some place and they are nervous. They are already sweating. They are already uncomfortable because they are not confident in themselves. They are not. They are not someone that can be like a leader to something. Do you understand? So that's what masculine mindsets will be all about. Trading. Most people know about trading. Almost 90% of people know something about trading. But I'll be taking you guys in some things I'm seeing in the market daily. I'll be just giving you insights. I won't be mentoring you. I'll only be dropping a link whereby you guys can join for mentoring. Maybe if you want to learn more about forex, I'll be dropping the link description on this video so that you guys can subscribe to it and watch the video. It's basically owned by my mentor, so he'll be the one to actually take you guys personally, like trading aspect. You guys will pay for sure, but he's really good. I'm like, trust me, he's really good. I'll just be dropping the link on this. I'll be dropping the link on this video down here. So the fourth one is survey, sharing my opinions and insights in various topics. Survey is kind of like a little bit complex. It will be hard for so many people to really understand. It's just try and pick up your phones and you guys should just search what survey really is. You understand? Just search for what survey really is, you know. So if you guys can understand that, then I'll be taking you guys on, not taking, but I'll just giving you tips on what and how you can do surveys. Do you understand? And for the live lessons, overcoming challenges and setbacks, and sharing my personal experience, which means life lessons, things I've experienced, things that learned from people, things that people have taught me, things that I've experienced from people, like things that some people have even experienced and they tell me about it. That's what I'll be telling you guys. I'll be taking you guys, like that's what will be that's what my YouTube channel will actually be. This is my first time, this is my first video. You can't expect me to be perfect. Do you understand? So I'm still trying to pick up, trying to make sure I become good at whatever I'm doing for now. trying to like pick up, because I know that this video and whatever I'm doing now is a competition for myself. Like it's me against me, not me against anybody. I'm not doing any competition with anybody. It's a competition between me, like me versus me. Because I'm seeing this video now and I'm giving myself a timeline of like 5 years to come, 10 years to come, 15 years to come, that I basically believe that I'll be at where I want to be. I'll be better than this. I will not be living in somewhere like this. I know this place is, at least I have a roof over my head, but I know that within time, in due time, things will change basically for me and for my family. If things can change for me, then my family should just worry less. Like, that's it. Just one breakthrough can change the whole family story, can change the whole family lineage. You understand? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. This is my first time. You can't blame me. Nobody's perfect. So, thank you. Watch out for the next video.